Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change time on Windows 10. First, right-click the date-time icon on your status bar and then select Adjust Date/Time. Then switch the toggle to the left next to Set Time Automatically feature and then select Change next to Set the date and time manually. Then by expanding this list and selecting the values that you need, you can change both date and time on your computer, but I only recommend doing it if your automatic date time setter doesn't work properly, because by setting incorrect date and time you will make many online services unavailable, services like Google for example, which require your date and time to be correct. And to apply settings, click Change, and this way you can change the time manually on Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.